This is the Ritz-Carlton in Tenerife, Spain. We stayed here 2 nights for free, and you can too. Not only did we stay here for free, but we were upgraded and treated like royalty. This is just one of many luxury destinations that we've been able to experience by travel hacking. In about a year, we've saved over $200,000 in travel. We did this living normal lives, working full-time. We used credit card points and a ton of other lesser-known strategies to accumulate points and status. In this video, Tyler will break down exactly what we did to get these free nights at this luxury 5-star resort, and we'll give you a tour of the property to show you an example of the phenomenal value that you can get by travel hacking. We're trying to make videos detailing how we do this so that you can do it too. If you're interested, don't forget to like and subscribe.
So we just stayed the last 2 nights at the Ritz-Carlton Obama here in Tenerife. We booked this with 50,000 night certificates that we got for free for opening a Marriott credit card through Chase. And this hotel, the base rooms go for about $500 a night. We were actually upgraded to a suite thanks to our free Marriott Bonvoy Gold status that we get through our Platinum card. That room goes for about $650 a night. It's been amazing. This place is huge, beautiful view of the ocean. They have a private beach, gym overlooking the ocean, just on and on. We also got free welcome drinks on arrival, and this place actually comes with free amazing breakfast as well. We also were able to get free late checkout thanks to our gold status, and by late I mean 6 p.m., which is crazy.
Our upgrade got us this gigantic room with a living room and dining room separate from the main bedroom. Tons of space in this area with a huge couch. These cool double doors open to a very spacious bedroom. Down the hall, another set of double doors open to the bathroom with a double sink vanity and separate shower and bathtub. The amenities are from Diptyque and Asprey and are not cheap, even in the small sizes. The shower had the most amazing shower head we have ever experienced, and we actually looked it up to try to buy it, but it cost over $1,500. The closet lights up when you open it, and it had a really nice mural on the back wall, and of course the branded rope. Our welcome gift was 4 delicious cookies. The patio was also huge. It had 2 bed loungers and a table and chairs, and though we were quite a ways from the water, we did technically have an ocean view. The hotel has a nice beach with a protected area for swimming and snorkeling, and of course they'll set up chairs and towels for you. And to get to and from the beach, you can actually take this cute little train. The entire property is gigantic, and there's gardens and ponds and pools all over the place. It certainly never seemed crowded at all, and we even found a rooftop pool that was totally empty. This resort also has a pretty impressive fitness center with weights and all kinds of machines, and you can even work out from the balcony with a view of the ocean. Of course, eating is one of our favorite things while we travel, and our stay came with a really great free breakfast.
No, they don't. They want to be fed.
Oh, look, he's a good one. Do they like it when I pet him?
Okay, bye. I love you. I'll never forget you. Ritz-Carlton, Obama, Tenerife.
We have been to over 26 countries in the last year, and we've saved over $170,000 on travel in less than a year by travel hacking. We're trying to make videos detailing how we do this, so if you're interested, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.